Children, today I'll start a new chapter, that is multiples and factors. First, I'll tell you what are multiples. Children, remember multiples word is related to a word multiplication. If you want to find the multiples of a number, means you have to recite the multiplication table of that number. For example, if you want to find the multiples of 2, you have to recite the multiplication table of 2. Like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 and so on. So 2 ones are 2 means the first multiple of 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 is the second multiple of 2. What is the third multiple of 2? 2 threes are 6. Similarly, fourth multiple of 2, 2 fours are 8. Ninth multiple of 2, 2 nines are 18. 10th multiple of 2, 2 tens are 20. So when you recite the table of any number, we generally stop at tens. But actually, you can also find the 11th, 12th, 13th multiple of any number. Not just up to 13th, you can find any multiple of 2. Suppose you are going to find the 12th multiple of 2. 12th यानी 12वां. So 12th here, 12 twos are 24. You can also find the 100th multiple of 2. That is 100 twos are 200. Similarly, you can find the multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and so on. Multiples of 4, recite the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and so on. So children, here I have used dotted sign, means the multiples of any number you can find infinite in number. कहीं वो ख़त्म नहीं होता है. 10 तक टेबल हम पढ़ते हैं 2 टेंस या 3 टेंस तक, पर वहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होता है. यू कैन फाइंड एनी मल्टीपल ऑफ अ number. So we can conclude you can have infinite number, means as many as possible number of multiples of a number. किसी भी नंबर का बहुत सारा मल्टीपल निकाल सकते हो. सपोज यू वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द 25th मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. 25th मीन्स 25 नंबर में कौन सा मल्टीपल आता है. सो सिंपली यू कैन फाइंड 25th means 25 fours are 100. Okay, so you can have as many as possible number of multiples for a number. यहाँ का कोई ending नहीं होता है, वो बढ़ते ही जाता है. Second thing, when you find the multiple of a number, you see that all the numbers are greater than the number and one number is equal to that number. यानी जितने भी मल्टीपल निकालते हो किसी भी नंबर का, सारे मल्टीपल्स उस नंबर से बड़े होते हैं और जो सबसे पहला मल्टीपल होता है दैट इज इक्वल टू दैट नंबर. मीन्स मल्टीपल्स ऑफ अ नंबर आर आइदर इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन दैट नंबर. यानी याद रखो, मल्टीपल्स किसी भी नंबर के हमेशा बड़े होते हैं या तो फिर उस नंबर से बराबर होते हैं. Next, every number is the multiple of itself. See here, 2 is the multiple of 2. Which multiple? First multiple. 5 is the multiple of 5. 4 is the multiple of 4. यानी हर एक नंबर का वो खुद एक multiple होता है. Means every number is the multiple of itself. Which multiple? First multiple. Similarly, if you find the multiples of 1, to find the multiples of 1, you have to recite the table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5 and so on. Suppose 100th multiple of 1, 100 ones are 100 and you can find as many as multiples. But you see, in the list of multiples you can find all the counting numbers. Okay, that means सारे counting number, every counting number is a multiple of 1. From that we can conclude every number is the multiple of 1. So from these two we can see कि हर नंबर का वो खुद एक मल्टीपल होता है और हर नंबर 1 का मल्टीपल होता है. नेक्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट मल्टीपल्स थ्रू सम एग्जाम्पल्स. इफ आई आस्क इज 20 अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, तो हाउ डू यू आंसर इट? क्या 24 का एक मल्टीपल है? सो टू फाइंड दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू सी वेदर इन द टेबल ऑफ 4 कैन यू फाइंड 20. Yes, you recite the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Yes, in the table of 4, you can find 20. So, is 20 a multiple? You will write, yes, 20 is a multiple of 4. Which multiple? कौन सा नंबर पे आता है? 4 5s are. So, it is fifth multiple of 4 is 20. Similarly, is 32 a multiple of 6? That means you have to check the table of 6 whether you get 32 or not. In the table of 6 you do not get 32. So what do you write? Is 32 a multiple of 6? You will write no. नहीं है. Is 14 a multiple of 1? 14 आता है 1 के टेबल में. Yes, 1 14s are 14. As I have already told, every number is a multiple of 1. So 14 is also a multiple of 1. 1 के टेबल में 14 आता है. Which multiple? 14th. 1 14s are 14. So here you will write yes. 14 is a multiple of 1. Which multiple? 14th multiple. 14 ones are 14. Is 15 a multiple of 15? Yes. Because here also we discussed every number is a multiple of itself. हर नंबर अपने आप का मल्टीपल होता है. So 15 is a multiple of 15. Which multiple? 15 ones means first multiple, right? The next type of question is if you have been asked to write next 3 multiples. Next means बाद में और क्या क्या 3 multiple लिखिए. So see in this question 5 is there, 10 is there, 15 is there. So first you see whose multiples are these? These are the multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. You have to fill the next multiple. ये first 3 multiple, next 3 will be, ये 3 तक हुआ है. So 5 4s are fourth multiple 20, 5 5s are 25, fifth, then sixth 5 6 30. एंड और आगे पूछता तो और आगे भी ऐसे ही बढ़ाते जाते. नेक्स्ट इज राइट ऑल द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8 less than 50. Means you have to list all the multiples of 8 which are less than 50. So start writing the multiple of 8. So start from the first one. 8 1s are 8. Yes, it is less than 50. Okay. 8 2s are 16 is also less than 50. 8 3s are 24 is also less than 50. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. All these are less than 50. Then 8 7s are 56. But 56 is more than 50. So these are the 6 multiples of 8 which are less than 50. और आगे हमें नहीं जाना है. Then if you have to find what is the fourth multiple of 9, it's very easy. Fourth multiple of 9 means in the table of 9 what is the fourth multiple? You start, इसमें एक एक गिनती करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can simply find just like here I told you fourth multiple of 2, 2 4s are 8. Similarly fourth multiple of 9, 9 4s is 36 is the answer. Similarly 10th multiple of 8, 10वीं जगह पे कौन सा मल्टीपल आता है? So 8 10s are 80 is the answer. Okay, if you want to find any multiple of a number, you just multiply the two and find the answer. Then least multiple of 7. Least means minimum, सबसे कम सबसे छोटा. What is the least multiple of 7? So start the multiples of 7. 7 1s are 7. सबसे छोटा वही है क्योंकि 7 2s are 14. वो तो बड़ा आ जा रहा है. सो हमें सबसे छोटा चाहिए. सो द फर्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज द लीस्ट मल्टीपल. सो सिमिलरली इफ आई आस्क व्हाट इज द लीस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 is 10 1s are 10. लीस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज द नंबर itself. वो नंबर खुद है. Then another type of question if it is given 3 into 9 is 27. इससे क्या हमें पता चलता है? See 3 into 9 is 27 means in the table of 9 we get 27. Which multiple? 9 3s are 27 means third multiple of 9 is 27. See 3 9s are 27. Or we can also say 9 के टेबल में तो आता है 27. We can also get 27 in the table of 3. कौन से जगह पे? 9th प्लेस. So 3 9s are also 27. So 9th multiple of 3 is 27. That means from this we can write two statements, that is third multiple of 9 is 27 and 9th multiple of 3 is 27. So if it is given 27 is the multiple of dash and dash, as 27 comes in the table of 3 and 9 both, so you can fill it by 3 and 9. 27 किसका मल्टीपल है? 3 का भी है और 9 का भी है, क्योंकि 27 3 के टेबल में भी आता है, 9 के टेबल में भी आता है. So you will fill it by 3 and 9. Now if it is given 3 into 5 into 6 is 90. 3 5s are 15, 15 6 are 90. So dash is the multiple of dash, dash and dash. So multiple कौन है? This is the bigger number, the product. So write 90 is the multiple of 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. क्यों multiple है? Because 90 comes in the table of 3. 33s are 90. 90 also comes in the table of 5. Okay. 18 5s are 90. 90 is also the multiple of 6. 6 के टेबल में भी 90 आता है. 15 6 या 90. So 90 is the multiple of 3, 5 and 6.